do you make a bilateral carpal tunnel case successful? First of all, you've hurt both hands in this circumstance, and maybe it's one, but bilateral would mean two. And you really need to, first of all, make sure that you are seeing the proper specialist. There are many general orthopedic doctors out there that might be on the panel of physicians that your employer gives you, but doctors who specialize in upper extremities and hands have a next level of education, and the hands are very, very specific. So we always want to make sure that our client is getting to a proper specialist. We always want to make sure that our client is getting the proper testing. You're going to have numbness and tingling in your hands. Hands are going to feel terrible. You may be doing a repetitive job that your current urgent care doctor is telling you that you can keep doing. It's only going to make it worse. This is a nerve issue in the carpal tunnel area, and you're going to feel impact in your wrist, in your hands, and in your fingers. Makes it very, very difficult to pick up a cup of coffee. It makes it very difficult to sleep because your hands are falling asleep. Your needs are to be able to get to the proper doctor, get the proper testing. If your employer is making you work beyond your restrictions, that needs to be pushed back on so that you don't make yourself worse. Deciding whether or not to have surgery or not is a very personal decision. Making sure that the doctor is talking to you about the risks and benefits, understanding that even if you have surgery, going back to doing a repetitive job can recreate the problems. So getting the proper medical care, getting the proper legal advice, and making sure that your case is in the best position when the time comes to get treatment with the proper specialist and settle is extremely important.
Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.